Hello, we have here the presentation of this knife cutting machine, in that you can see a lot of capabilities that we can make with this kind of models. For example, we can see here a different kind of tools. We have a knife cutting oscillating head. Also, we have a milling tool to make different kind of process. For example, in this machine, we can cut different kind of materials like crosslink or EVA. Also, we can cut another kind of foams like XPE, EPE, only PE, as you can see here. And also, we have the capability to use another kind of head to cut this kind of harness material or textiles like Kevlar, for example. For the different industries like military industry, for the packaging industry, for dunnage or other kind of process that you require, you have a machine that can solve all this kind of process. For example, in this model, we don't have this kind of head. This head is very important to cut this kind of foam. This is a harness foam, it's until short C 62 degrees. And as you can see here, it's very hard. Yeah. We can cut this material until 2 inches more or less. Also, we have a good quality of cutting, as you can see here in the edges. It's better than cut with that water jet. And also, we have the capability to make a process of cutting for high volume using a model that have 4 heads in the machine. For example, here you can see that we have only 2 heads, but only 1 bridge. We can put another or second bridge, and each one with 2 heads. In this case, you can cut a high volume for these products until 2 inches. In the case that you want to cut a lot of quantity of PU or EP, for example, we can use also the 4 heads. In this case, we can cut very high thickness material. As you can see here, we have around 2 inches too, but we can cut until 4 inches and a half. This is a good capability of our machines, and you can obtain good quality of the edges in this process. As you can see, we have a good detail in this piece, for example, and also in this kind of pieces. In the case that you require to make a process for a milling process like this, you can use this tool. We can put, for example, 2 milling tools in each heads, in that you can make this process of drilling and obtain this kind of results. For example, this is a project for military packaging. In this case, you can put here all the parts of the bullets and here the guns, you see. For example, here we can see that we can program 4 different levels of or layers for the process of the drilling. As you can see here, the first one, second, and also we have the third layer until the top, and we can program other layer. In this case, we generate too a lot of dust, a lot of dirty in the process. Then it's important use this kind of tool that is a dust collector too, to make the process of take all the dust, all the dirty, and it comes to this part that is in the side of the machine. For example, with this material, or also with this material, it's the same. With this, we can obtain a good quality in the product. We reduce the labor cost to clean also all the pieces after to the process of the cutting and the milling. And also for security, we have 2 ways to obtain the security for your operators. For example, we have here the light contains, in that we detect here if you pass through this distance for the machine. Then when the machine is running, you have the security in that the bridge, the gantry will stop, and you avoid the cutting from or the heating for one of your operators. Okay, let's test. Yeah. Okay, as you can see, we stop the machine. Let's run again. Then it's safe for your operators too. Here we have the conveyor, the operation of the conveyor. As you can see, we have a clamp that activates the process to take the material and move together with the conveyor. Here we have a roll holder. This is a manual device, but also if you want to increase the capability to make the process of auto alignment or also to control the tension, we can send you a kind of device more automated. Here we can see again the process with the manual system. The clamp goes down and start to fit. Okay. And well, here you see some kind of materials, some kind of heads, some kind of solutions that this machine can solve. It's so flexible, you can cut a lot of quantity of materials like coroplast, cardboard, foams, EVA, crosslink, Kevlar, some textiles. Also you can cut non-asbestos, asbestos, and also another kind of materials like the neoprene. It's so flexibility. If you have a requirement in a specific project in a specific, we can talk with you and give you the best solutions for your process. Thank you.